Welcome back. You are now looking at a payment gateway's help screen inside of ClickFunnels. As of the recording of this video, there are two sets of payment integrations. ClickFunnels has divided them into the API payment gateways, which allow for all of the functionality of ClickFunnels, and then third-party payment gateways available. Now again, as of the recording of this video, if you choose to use a third-party payment gateway, ClickFunnels says four things. First, the OTO steps will not work with these gateways. Second, the order confirmation page can't be populated. Third, the order form step must be added to the funnel in order for the sales tab to show their purchases. Fourth, these gateways will notify ClickFunnels of successful purchases to allow them access to any member area that you create. Lastly, the funnel only works with one payment gateway at a time. If you choose to use Stripe and PayPal as options, you're going to need to have two separate funnels. With that understanding, you can add your new payment gateway. What you can do is click Add New Payment Gateway. You can then choose your payment gateway. Now, assuming that you are going to use Stripe, you're going to click on the Stripe integration. You'll then click Create Stripe Account. You'll then give this Stripe account a name, and this is going to be internal to you. You'll then determine whether to enable Apple Pay. You'll determine if this is going to be your default Stripe account. Now what you're going to want to do is that within the browser you're going to be using, that you are logged into your Stripe account so that the connection will be made automatically. You're going to click Create Stripe Account. You'll then want to click Connect with Stripe. And you will attend the rest of the process by going through the connection using ClickFunnels. Once you complete the process, you'll be able to accept payments via Stripe through ClickFunnels. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.